shine. Doctor, let's play hide and seek. I'll hide first. Red, red. She did need a look for. Let's play catch instead. Second, to throw an acorn to the person. But acorn found stuck her. She did go and catch it. What are you doing? Asked Rose Acker. I play with my new friend. Second, she's a small person. Hi, what's your name? She doesn't talk. Second, but cousin.